bought these in January and I have not opened them. I'm gonna open them today. These are tools I bought to make furniture. I will make furniture. Let me tell you that. It might not be tomorrow, it might not be next month, but I will make furniture. That is for sure. I already have like some wood downstairs that I stored, so that's a go. I have a sander. I don't need that today, so I'm not opening it. I do, however, need a battery from in here and my handheld vacuum. Yes, gonna use it for cleaning the car that I just got. A Toyota Prius 2007. It was a hassle to get, but I prayed that it would be worth all of the hassle and definitely worth more than I paid for it. Like, God. Bless me. Bless me. Okay, well, let me get scissors. As you can tell, I am right-handed, so I spin to the box so that my right hand would have the same amount of access it had before. Oh my gosh, it comes in a bag. It comes in a bag. I am happy. It's so pretty. I love this neon green color. Green is my favorite color. I don't know if it's still my favorite color. I had a whole bunch of orange stuff for a while, so I was confused. It might be blue now. But this is really pretty. I just need the battery from in here, but as long as I have this out, I might as well show you my drill that I'm seeing the first time. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. I'll call them back later. But yeah, this is a drill. I will use it at some date later. This is where the battery would go. Putting that back. I don't need it today. But I did get insurance on it. Now I just have to figure out how to put it. Oh, I figured out how to put it back. This is a battery charger. Where are the batteries? The batteries. Oh, batteries. Where are you? I think I have to take stuff out in order to get to the batteries. Oh, got one. Nope. I think I have to take everything out. I'm definitely leaving these cartons in here. Oh, these are the batteries. I just need one. This will do. And then put it back. They have compartments in here, but they're not as strong as, they won't keep everything together as much as putting the cardboard back inside will. If only I could remember how to put it back inside. Okay, I figured it out. I think if thus I am. I did it! We did it! We put everything back in the box. We're putting it back in the box. We did it! Yeah! I should learn, shouldn't I? Let's put it on silencio. Alright. And close the box back. Now this is the box that we will be using today. This one doesn't have any tape, so I'm just gonna have to tear. I really don't like tearing. I know I'm tearing glue, but with glue you don't get that proper seal again. Use my finger. Open. Hey, this looks so powerful. I had bought a vacuum before, a car vacuum, but I didn't like the fact that you had to plug it in. I wanted something more mobile. And I think this is more powerful. I'm hoping it's more powerful than what I had before. And this is a brand as opposed to the one that I got on the internet, which was, I think, some off-brand of the real thing. Sorry, I just moved. Ta-da! No. Alright, well that's about it. You'll catch more of this in the car. Bye!